Hi, my name is David Susilo. I'm a THX ISF and CDS certified AV consultant, designer, calibrator for the past 2.5 decades. You can hire me by contacting me at info@davidsusilo.com, or at the very least, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And now, onto the video. Today, I want to do a review of this TWS ANC earbuds. The name is actually very confusing. The company's name is Roseselsa, but you cannot find that name anywhere on the box. At the front of the box, it says Earfree Internationals, which is fine, I guess. But as soon as you open the box and take out the instructions manual, the name have changed into Earfeel International. So is it Earfeel or Earfree or Roseselsa? It's really confusing for me. Outside of that, it's a standard earbuds with effective enough automatic noise cancelling. It utilizes USB-C to charge the earbuds and the case. And here it is, the proof that it says Earfeel over here, although the box says Earfree. And here are the buds. They're very slippery though, so it's kind of difficult to take out the buds using your fingers. As usual, you have to download the app, sign your life away, update the firmware, do an initial setup, and then you use the earbuds. From that point on, you can choose to use the earbuds as is, or if you want to customize your earbuds further, then you have to use the app. Sound quality wise, this is very decent. It's not going to win any award, but at the same time, it does not create fatigue to your hearing. And once again, Earfeel versus Earfree. My verdict? I have no complaint about these earbuds. Except for the naming convention, of course. Is it Roseselsa, Earfeel, or Earfree? And while it's not going to win any awards and that's nothing to write home about, considering the very low price, the overall performance of these earbuds are highly commendable. Now that we have reached the end of the video, please share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.